Open Peak, go to Settings, Graphics, set your texture quality to low, and render scale to medium. These are the two settings Peak added specifically to improve performance on slower hardware and graphics cards with limited VRAM. If the FPS is still too low, change your render scale to low. Note that lowering the render scale can make the image less sharp. If your FPS is high, but it repeatedly spikes or stutters, turn VSync on and test again. VSync can stabilize an uncapped frame rate, but it won't necessarily fix consistently low FPS. For me, I'm gonna leave it off. If the game is still lagging, close Peak completely. Open your Steam library, right-click Peak, Properties, selected launch option, select Play Peak using DX11. Then load up the same area and compare the performance. As you can see for me, running DX11 got me to over 100 FPS on my laptop here. But if DX11 runs worse or causes visual problems, close the game and test DX12 or Vulkan instead in the launch options. There is no single best option for every graphics card, so keep whichever one is smoothest for your PC. If you've ever modded Peak, right-click the game in Steam, select Manage, browse local files, and fully remove any of the installed mods and any leftover mod files, including the BepInEx folder if it's still here. Simply disabling mods can leave the files still inside the game folder. Return to Steam, right-click Peak, open Properties, Installed Files, and then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Restart Steam and test Peak without mods in the same part of the mountain. Restart Steam and test Peak again in the same area. Your frame rate should now be steadier with fewer visible hitches. Your frame rate should now be way steadier. If the FPS problems only happen in one biome, or they started immediately after the most recent update, you might require a game patch. Reproduce the issue again, then press Windows and R, and copy and paste this from the description. Press OK, and then send this player.txt log to support@landfall.sc.